You gotta give me the thumbs down picture though, man. Whoever has that, I want to have that tonight.
Mikey's got it, I got it too.
That was funny, I like it. It's cool.
I hate these bugs.
We'll start thinking about flooring it. Well, we'll hook a cable to it so you line those fronts first. Well, it's like you might have to hit it.
Tape.
Why? It's just like fun.
Well, you ready for a thrill of a lifetime?
Yeah.
Give it hell.
What are you, hang on, are you gonna just floor it right now? What? Are you just gonna floor it? Yeah. Be quick with the clutch, my friend. You got it. It's all you.
No, you're done. Gotta stay to the right.
Give it another try, because I want to get a picture.
Back up and go over to the right more. You want to ride that wall. That's your best shot.
You didn't get it when you bounced up.
I gotta give it hell. Cool.
Oh my God!
I got it. I got it with the here.
So did Lou.
Swing slide time, homie.
Dude,
All right, stay put.
that picture, that's the only picture you're gonna post before we post the other ones, and everyone's gonna think you're going over.